This morning, without even knowing it, you might have left another deposit of potentially dangerous plastic beads in the delicate ecosystem that is your mouth. Like millions of Americans going about their morning routine, you did not wake up this morning determined to increase your daily intake of toxins. No, all you did was a basic necessity. You simply brushed your teeth. Unfortunately, 95% of common toothpaste brands are loaded with fluoride. There's a reason why your tube of toothpaste has a warning label regarding fluoride. These health risks include dental fluorosis, teeth discoloration, perioral dermatitis, and impairment in your glucose metabolism. It is also extremely worrying that, if you accidentally ingest more than the recommended dose, you actually need to consult your health physician as soon as possible. So, the question is, why are you still using products that contain such a dangerous ingredient? And more importantly, how can you find a natural alternative to keep your smile healthy and happy? Don't worry, here's a perfect natural homemade toothpaste recipe. It's also vegan. Healthy homemade vegan toothpaste. Ingredients: 4 tablespoons of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of coconut oil, 5-10 drops of peppermint or clove oil, 8 tablespoons of water. Instructions: excluding the oil of your choice, mix all your ingredients in a pot at low heat, just enough for the coconut oil to become liquid. Stir until it starts forming a consistent paste. Turn off the heat and add the peppermint or clove oil and keep stirring for another minute or 2. Place the paste in a glass jar and let it cool. Simply store at room temperature and you should be good to go. Here's why it works. Baking soda has been used as a tooth cleanser for over 150 years. Somehow it got the reputation as being abrasive, therefore detrimental to the enamel. Nothing could be farther from the truth. Toothpastes are rated on a scale from 0-200 according to their abrasiveness. This is called the RDA value, or relative dentin abrasiveness. Pure baking soda has an RDA of 7, ask your dentist, he'll tell you the same. The lowest RDA store-bought toothpaste you can find on the market is 35, which is Arm Hammer baking soda toothpaste. There are many reasons for using baking soda for brushing teeth. It is not only the least abrasive substance to use, but it also freshens breath, whitens teeth, removes stain, and is also an effective germ killer against bacteria that cause tooth decay and gum disease. Coconut oil has amazing dental hygiene properties. The lauric acid, one of the fatty acids in coconut oil, is proven to be antimicrobial. It can kill bacteria, viruses and fungi. There's a good reason why oil pulling works.